I'm Adam Henson, and today I'm visiting Harrison Spinks in Yorkshire. They've been making luxury beds since 1840, so join me on the journey. We're starting off at the farm. John, this is a remarkable site. We're stood out in a field of hemp. Tell me all about it.
Hemp fibre is the strongest grown natural fibre. That's what we want to use inside our mattresses. It's a sustainable alternative to how mattresses are currently made.
So it's not only giving you a really good product for your mattresses, it's good for the environment too. Take a look at this place. Harrison Spinks have brought weaving back to Yorkshire. Here they're making fire-retardant, chemical-free outer mattress covers, and they're absolutely luxurious. In here, rolls of wire are delivered. It's then taken off the rolls and drawn through this machine that's stretching it to make it finer. They make their own innovative core pocket springs. They're heat sealed, therefore using no glue, making them totally recyclable. There's a lot going on in this building. First of all, they have to cut the panels for the top and the bottom of the mattresses. Then the labels are sewn on that have to be perfectly square. And a master of it is Balbia. She's been working here 20 years. The mattresses are hand side stitched, and it's quite an art. There's 6 months of training before you master it. And the idea is that the side stitching stops you rolling out of bed. It firms up the side of the mattress. On top of the hand-stitched mattress are numerous layers of high-density springs, and they reduce pressure points, so spreading your weight out and increasing support. And then on top of that are lots of layers of luxurious natural fibre that increases the comfort and then also regulates your temperature. So this is known as tufting, and people are like human rolling pins. And so as we roll around in bed, we'll move the filling about. And what this does is it holds it all in place. So I'm now a top tufter. Oh no, I stuffed it up. The finishing touch is called tape edging, and it's basically hand, eye and leg coordination to move the taping all the way around so it looks perfect when it goes to the customer. Well, this is the final stage. These gentlemen are doing the quality control before it goes into the warehouse and away to the customer. And it's been a fascinating process to watch from start to finish. The skill, the effort, the energy that goes into making these beautiful mattresses to give lots of people a wonderful night's sleep.